Gluten intolerance and celiac disease. Gluten is a combination of two proteins, gliadin and glutenin, found inside wheat, barley and rye grains. More precisely in the endosperm, the nutritional middle of the plant's embryo. It is responsible for making baking dough elastic and resistant to be stretched without bursting. It also helps in the expansion of the dough and gives the soft texture of the cake, pizza dough and pasta. The peptides, amino acids that form the building blocks of proteins found in gluten, are resistant to stomach acids, which can make it hard for some people to digest them. Reactions due to gluten consumption are variable and can appear in many forms, like blisters or itching, known as dermatitis herpetiformis. People with gluten intolerance or celiac disease have an autoimmune response to gluten. This means that the body tries to fight against gluten as if it was a virus, which causes inflammation and damage in the digestive tracts. Gluten sensitivity is hereditary and can be passed down through generations. Some people who have gluten intolerance or celiac disease feel sick after eating foods that contain gluten. They may experience bloating, diarrhea or constipation, headaches, fatigue or skin rashes. While the alternatives for gluten in baking are rice flour, almond flour, or from corn. For gluten intolerance, there are some other flours that can be used, such as buckwheat, chickpeas, oats, sorghum, quinoa, and millet. Gluten-free foods include non-processed meats and fish, fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, beans, and legumes, most cheese and dairy products, as well as eggs. The good news for those without gluten allergies: studies have linked whole grain consumption with improved health. Gluten may also act as a prebiotic and beneficial for gut health.